Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert pie chart in MS Word. So very easily you can insert pie chart in MS Word. So firstly you need to click on insert. Now click on chart and you see here this pie chart option, so just click on it. Now here you see this pie chart, this pie, and you can adjust the style like this bar of pie or more will be there. So select which one you like and click on OK. And you see here this chart will be very easily insert, and you can adjust the style also like here. And here open this Excel file and you can customize it using this file. So very easily you can insert chart in MS Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.